Okay, guys, here are some examples of how we could work on our acid and base poster project virtually. So you should have this completely filled out with all of the answers. Your poster is going to have this information on it. You're not going to copy and paste the question and the answer. So let me show you a way that we could do this. So I'm going to do two things. I'm going to go to Google Draw, and let me see, just Google Draw. Okay, so let's see if it'll do it here. Yeah. So what I could do is I could use this as my poster, and I could insert text boxes. I could make one of them acids and one of them bases. I could go to insert word art, and I could make this acids, and I could put it up here, and then I could make one for bases, and then I could put it somewhere else, and I could have something for my part at the bottom, neutralization. I could add a pH scale in the middle from 0 to 14 with all of my household substances. And then to put all this information on here, I could just add text boxes. Sorry, I'm going the wrong way. I could add text boxes right here and start with, what is an acid? They taste sour. So I could put release H plus into solution, taste sour. What's another question? And you have to have all the information here on your poster. Common acids found in the home. I could put lemons or milk or tomatoes. So you can do it this way and make it very creative, but all of this information has to be on the poster to get credit. Okay, there's another way we could do it. We could go to slides, and we could have a slides presentation, and we could call it acids and bases poster, and we could have a slide about acids. We could have a slide about bases, and you can see on your instructions you got acids, bases. We could have our picture of the pH scale with all of our things on it, and we could also have our last section at the bottom, which is information on neutralization. Okay, so whatever method you choose is fine. Just be sure you have all of this information on there, okay? So read it carefully. If you don't know the answer, you can Google. Like, for instance, acids, do they gain or lose um, hydrogen ions? So you could Google, do acids gain or lose hydrogen ions? And you would get an acid is a substance that associates in water to form hydrogen ions. In other words, an acid increases or releases the hydrogen ions. Okay, so make sure you've got all the questions answered and that you're working on your poster either on Google Draw or Google Slides. All right? And turn it in to me when you are finished.